Hey, welcome to the ToonVidio members area. Peter Beatty here, and on behalf of my partners Bill and John and the entire ToonVidio team, again, just want to say welcome and congratulations on your purchase of ToonVidio. You're really going to love this software, and it's got features in it that you've never seen before, and I cannot wait to see the videos that you create with it. Please send me the links to your videos that you make with ToonVidio. I would love to check them out. Now, this video is meant to be kind of a tour video to show you around so you know how to access everything you just purchased, how to get help when you need it, and all that stuff. So let's just jump right into it. So we're on the members homepage here, and this is the video you're watching right now. So the very first thing you're going to want to do, obviously, is download the software. So let's do that now really quick, and then we'll take a tour of the members area, okay? So over here on the right, you can download the software. As you can see, we've got a Windows version and a Mac version. Let's go ahead and click Windows Download because I'm on a Windows PC, all right? So it's going to download an exe file onto my desktop. You can see right here, it's downloading. Now, if you get a message that says that the software is not recognized or it's not commonly downloaded and could harm your computer, ignore that. That just means that at this point in time, they don't recognize us as a software publisher. We're actually resolving that, so you don't see that error, but it's nothing to worry about. So just go ahead and just accept any error, and you won't have any issues, obviously. So go ahead and click Run. And again, Windows is going to try to protect you again because they don't recognize the application. You may or may not see this message. We're working on fixing that, but it's just a Windows thing that we have to deal with for now. So if you see this message here, just click More Info and just click Run anyway. And it's going to install the software in the background, and then the new window is going to pop up like that, and it's going to say Application Install. And just leave these two boxes checked here, I would recommend anyways. And then go ahead and click Continue. And then go ahead and click Yes when it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Click Yes. And it's going to start installing the application. It only takes a few seconds. I mean, it's not long at all. So now the software is installed and it starts right up just like that. So that was pretty painless, right? So now we've got the software and we can begin using it. Now, as you use the software, you're going to get notifications that there are updates available. We're constantly updating it. So when you start it up, like say tomorrow, and it says, hey, there's a new updated version of this software available, make sure you accept the updates. Never skip an update, because if there's something we need to fix or we add new features, you're not going to get those new features unless you accept the update, okay? So here we are on the software. I'm obviously not going to go through the software right now. That's what we have separate tutorials for, but I just wanted to show you how to install the software. Pretty painless, right? It's pretty similar on a Mac. I don't have a Mac. We may make separate tutorials for showing you how to install on a Mac. Process is exactly the same as installing most applications on a Mac. And moving on, over here under your account, resources and other purchases, you can access video tutorials, you can access our entire knowledge base and frequently asked questions. These are things that we're continuing to build over time. So as you use the software, as you suggest features, as we add more features, as you guys submit questions and we compile a list of frequently asked questions, these things will obviously continue to adapt over time. But right out of the gate, if you want to know how to use the software, just click over here and you can read from some written articles showing you how to get started. You can start over here with getting started. I mean, there's tons of stuff here. So we're going to have video tutorials up soon. Right now we've got a couple, but this will have a lot more very soon by the time you get in here. But if you click over here on the left, you can read about how to download the software, install it, using it. Pretty much all the features over here are going to be laid out for you, from using ToonVidio to publishing videos with it, navigating the members area, managing your license, using the emotional recognition or human metric surveys, which are very, very powerful, by the way, how to use the marketplace, and premium assets if you're interested in getting some premium assets. So make sure the first thing you do before you do anything, head on over here, give these articles a read, watch the videos, get familiar with the software, how it works, and then jump into it, okay? We don't want you to get overwhelmed. So if you get stuck and need help, you can of course submit a ticket over on that page we were just at as well. Over here on the top, there's a little submit a ticket icon here. Just click that and you can reach out to us and submit a ticket. Now, please, when you submit a ticket, please be very brief in the ticket. Like some people like to type really long tickets, and all that will do is it will delay our response time. So when you submit a ticket, please try to be brief and to the point, and only include the information that we need to help you. Now that's we're just doing that so we can get to your ticket as soon as possible. And of course, be very specific. If you're having a problem with something, if you find a bug, please send us a screenshot. Tell us exactly what you're saying. Don't just submit a ticket and say, oh, this feature's not working for me. We have to know exactly what's happening so we can fix it, okay? We want to be able to fix any bugs or issues very quickly. So we can do that with your help. Okay, so you can submit a ticket here if you get stuck. Again, in the members area, you can access that by clicking the knowledge base and frequently asked questions, or there's a link up here under support and frequently asked questions. You can also head on over to the ToonVidio Facebook group. This is going to be a Facebook group for ToonVidio users, of course. If you'd rather get help from the community instead of submitting a ticket, or you just have a quick question or a suggestion, or maybe you just want to share something you've created with ToonVidio, share your thoughts, or just help someone else out who's stuck, head on over to the ToonVidio Facebook group and join the community. Now, we don't have the link up in here yet, but we are going to be having customer orientation and Q&A trainings for you starting on Wednesday, June 22nd, and running up until the weekend. So every day starting on Wednesday, June 22nd at 4 p.m. Eastern time, every day we're going to be running free webinars for you to answer your questions and make sure that you become familiar with this software and that you don't get stuck. So there's going to be a link here for you to sign up to those webinars. Make sure you do that. It's most likely going to be under here. You'll probably see it in the software as well, and we'll even most likely email you about it several times. So please make sure you attend those live trainings, because it's going to allow you to get the most out of this software and get your questions answered, okay? Next, I want to give you a quick tour of the human metrics survey. This can be found under the tab up here called My ER Video. So ER basically stands for emotional recognition. This is basically the technology that allows you to send out your videos and basically get live feedback from your viewers as they watch your videos. So let's click over here. Now we're going to have separate tutorials for all this stuff, remember. So I'm not going to go over it right now, but this is where you're going to use the human metrics survey, or otherwise known as emotional recognition survey technology, okay? Again, there's going to be a separate tutorial for this, so head over and watch that tutorial to learn how to use this. You can use this on other videos too, not just videos that you create with ToonVidio. This is very powerful. Take advantage of it. I highly recommend it. This is stuff that has never been seen before in our marketplace, and I highly recommend you to take advantage of it. Here we are in the marketplace, and this is where you can buy additional assets. So we're going to be creating new assets, 2D and 3D assets, all types of assets basically every single week. Now, if you're an unlimited member, okay, if you're a ToonVidio Unlimited member, you don't have to pay for any of these assets. You're going to get them for free for as long as you're a member, okay? You don't have to buy anything. You can come in here and download whatever you want. You can even use it directly from the software. If you're not an unlimited member, you're going to have to buy additional assets separately. It's a better deal if you become an unlimited member. So if you want access to our growing asset library, make sure you become an unlimited member. You can always upgrade to an unlimited member by clicking over here on the right where it says upgrade, and you can get access to our entire marketplace. Again, this is growing every single week. It's filled with characters, backgrounds, anything that you can imagine to create your videos. Look, we even have Chuck Norris over here holding two guns. Come on. You have to have Chuck Norris. Make sure you check this out. and access any other assets as you need them. We're also going to be developing not only assets, but video templates as well, and different theme packs. So if you click on video templates, I'm not sure what's here yet, but we're going to have different templates ranging from explainer video templates, viral video memes, infographic videos, logo intros. If you can think of a type of video that you need to promote your business online, it's going to be in here. If it's not in here yet, it will eventually be in here. Again, if you're an unlimited user, you'll get all the video templates we create in the future for free. If you want to purchase them separately, as a non-unlimited user, you can also do that as well. One other thing I want to point out, we can also turn you into a 3D character. We have a full dedicated animation and design team that will basically take photos of you and turn you into a 3D character if that's something you're interested in. You can also do this for clients too. So let's say you're making a video for a client and they want to be a 3D character. We can create that character for you for an additional $297, okay? Because these are created manually from our team. Let's say you want to do this for a client, charge them, $600, $500, make a few $100 off it, and we're only going to charge you $297. If this is something you're interested in, go ahead and click the order now button right here to do that. So there you have it. Thanks so much again for becoming the newest user of ToonVidio 2D and 3D animation software. I hope you enjoy the software, and of course, reach out to us if you have any other questions. I'll talk to you very soon, and I'll see you on a future Q&A and customer orientation webinar.